Welcome to Obsidian 3308. Here we go, guys. Good luck to all. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. The team on top at the end will go the person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go the person in spot number 30. Here we go. Welcome back, Huss. Let's do this thing 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Manchester City on top, Liverpool FC on bottom. That's 5 times. Get rid of the randomizer, drop it in exactly where you picked up. Magda, why are you back? Did you get timed out on cherry footy? Is that why? Oh, Dale's done. That was quick. Or is he going back live again? Here we go. Maggie hit a Bombers wildcard, Brownlow. Wow. When did he put his extra break up for? Is that tomorrow night or? Oh, nice one coming up. Here we go. First up, the Red Etch, Thiago Alcantara for Spain. That is numbered 4 of 5. Nice short print pitch black. The best of these. Oh, so he's already done it. Jeez, he was quick tonight. You love to see it. Have a good night, Dale. 4 of 5. Of course, he's been shocked by having to go up to Sydney a couple of days earlier than what he thought. The rain in Spain falls gently on the plane for Spain. He needs to sleep. Yes, he does. Spot 9. Peter Tran. Oh, what? He works hard, does Dale. Leroy Sané to 195. That's for Bayern Munich. Who's that? Spot 4, Chris Walkley. So, yeah, and he's been real grumpy lately. You notice that, Tabby? Grumpy at me, then? Maybe. What's his damage?
Maybe you just
Probably. Giovanni Reina, purple, 20 of 30. Actually, maybe not. Maybe somebody just pisses him off every day. Yeah. Is that a chance? Borussia Dortmund. That's a blue to 30. That's spot 6. Toulon. Congratulations, Toulon. That's very nice. Of course, sorting this one as we go is so much easier. Takes a bit longer, but hey. That's it. To 149, it's Felipe Pardo for Colombia. I've been working on it. Listen, don't ever think that I'm not trying to improve at all times, because that's honestly, my only goal is improvement. Pardo for Colombia to 149. Colombia is with spot 43, Fritz Chen. Congratulations, Fritz. To just 50. Nice. Galaxy Gear Ronaldo. Nice card. That's for Portugal. Portugal, spot 17. David Cochran, DC. Now, I'm expecting TC to come in and say something. Thank you, Ben. I'm trying my best. It's good that it's noticed. To 149, Felipe Pardo for Olympiacos FC. That's spot 11 to Daniel Martinez. Nice card. Then finally, to 49, it's Koke Jersey Auto. Geez, the pink on the purple looks amazing there for Spain. 43 of 49. And the rain in Spain falls gently on the plane for... I did that joke. The spot 9, Peter Tran. I literally double backed over that joke. And the last. And it wasn't a good joke either. At least I know it. Okay. And that is Obsidian 3308.